So this is just a quick video to show you how to take a 2D drawing and cam it with one of our FigTech machines. Now what you want to do is going to create a new project, and then you can put in the size of your project in millimeters, thickness. This is your zero position, which will always be on the top, on the material surface, and the bottom left hand corner. So once you're done with that, select OK, and you can just easily drag and drop the image what you want to cut. If you want to resize it, you can go onto your left, you've got transform, and here you've got your size. So if you can also go percentage. So let's say I want to make this 500. I can scale this up to 500. If I need to move it around anywhere on the sheet, I can. So I'm just going to do a small one, 500. It's already applied the size. Now, if you notice, if I click on one, I'm able to change anything individually. If you want to group just these two together, you can select it, go right click, and then you can go group objects. So right now I'm just going to show you how simple it is to just add it in and G-code it. So this is your 2D view, and this is your 3D view. So on your right hand side you'll have tool parts. So when you click on tool parts, you need to set up the material, somewhat similar what I've shown you on Fusion. So you set in your thickness, that's all normal. Gap above, machine accuracy is good. So your rapid gaps, I like to keep it at 50. Just means that it will clear whatever obstruction is there on your, if you do have something there. Okay, so once your material is set up, and then if you hover over the tool parts, it will tell you what each individual tool part does. So with this one, I'm just gonna, cut the letters out. So go into tool parts. That would be a profile tool part. This is a pocket. This is drilling. This is engraving. And this is more for inlays like lettering. This is for VCarve, your V-bits. The program automatically takes this and converts it. I'll show you in another video what this does. It's pretty cool. You also have 3D roughing and finishing tool parts. So if you're making a 3D relief, this is what these tool parts are for. So right now I'm just going to cut this out, this profile. Cut depth, select your tool. You can go in here and add your own tools. So I've added mine, which is just a 3.175 mil. The cutting depth of this though is 25, and I think the length of this fluid is not 25. But anyway, just for this video, I'll show you. Now on your ATC controller, this is what you want to put down as your tool number. Okay, so I'm going to select this. Now, do I want to cut it on the inside or the outside? So with this, I'm going to choose on the outside, so to cut it out on the outside. If you want to add tabs, if you want to do a separate last pass, so if you want to do like an onion sort of a ring, and then you just select what you want to cut. So I can select everything, or I could just select, individually. So I'm going to select everything. So that's selected, and then go calculate. So it kind of shows you the toolpath run, and you can go back into it again and hit simulate, and it shows you how the toolpath cuts that out. So now if you zoom out and rotate it, you can see this is something what it will look like. Now once you're done with that, you close it, and now you just got to save your toolpath. onto USB, and that's it. And you just run it on the machine. So I'll give you the post processor to your ATC machine, which you will need to select on here. When you go save, you can select the post processor. I'll give you the post processor for this. Yep, and that's pretty much it.